A recent study published by CIO.net reveals that the main concern of the CIOs, both in Europe and internationally speaking, is the alignment between IT and the business. In the last 22 years, in up to 18 occasions, this has been the top concern, and it has never been out of the top 3 in any case. It's surprising such unanimity when company directors of over 2,600 organizations are asked to choose 3 out of more than 40 options. Most of the IT directors consider that the main way to ensure the alignment between IT and the business is by defining service level agreements which can provide, in a realistic way, the characteristics of the service that should be provided to the business and an objective way to quantify it. However, several studies conclude that most of the organizations which provide IT services, whether to external or internal customers, have serious difficulties to specify the characteristics of their services, as well as to define and objectively measure the service level commitments. In fact, among the organizations that have formalized their SLAs, 45% only check service level reports provided by suppliers. 39% manually generate some type of service level report by using criteria not necessarily objective. 12% have it partially automated, and the 4% left consider the process of the monitoring and calculating the SLAs totally automated. Regarding the sources of the service level reports, 95% of the organizations uses only historical data. Nearly 5% incorporates some kind of real-time indicators, and just 0.2% includes some kind of predictive indicator in the calculation of its service levels. Therefore, most of the organizations calculate their service levels in a retroactive way, running out of room to react. If a failure is detected, it already belongs to the past. Obsidian provides a platform and a methodology to automate the process of definition, calculation, and interpretation of service levels, allowing to model the IT services by identifying their elements and defining dependencies of other services, integrate multiple sources of data existing in the organization to assess the status of each service in real time, calculate through objective formulas the service level of each service, report the actual, historical, and expected values through default and custom dashboards and reports, provide an interpretation of the levels of achievement in natural language, translating the numerical values from each indicator into an automatically generated explanation included in the reports, notifications, and dashboards. You can consult the features of each functionality by accessing the different sections of Obsidian's website.